Part 2 tayo ng mortgages, and this time we'll talk about interest. So, naririnig natin usually kapag mortgage may dalawang interest, fixed or variable. So, start tayo dun sa fixed interest. So, whatever is the interest na pagkasunduan nyo ng lender nyo, that will remain to be your interest until the end of the term. So, here is an example of an amortization table. This is a bi-weekly table. As you can see here, fixed yung payment, which is 1,708.53, and yung allocation ng principal at interest for the first few payments na ginagawa natin, mas mataas yung napupunta sa interest, and then as we pay the debt or the mortgage, nagbabago siya hanggang sa mas mataas yan na yung napupunta sa principal versus interest. This kind of interest is popular for people who is very strict on their budget, hindi nila gusto yung pabago-bago, and they just want to keep it that way. The next type is the VRM or variable rate mortgage. Your payment remains the same. So yung payment is fixed. Nagbabago lang yung allocation ng magkano ang napupunta sa principal at magkano napupunta sa interest based doon sa variable rate or variable interest rate that time. So, kung may kakilala kayong mga naka-variable rate mortgage, hindi nila mafe-feel yung changes or pagtaas ng interest ngayon kasi nga naman fixed yung kanilang payment. Ang medyo masaklap lang is mas madami na yung allocation ng interest kaysa napupunta sa principal. Ang usual result nito ay na-extend yung amortization kasi kailangan mo na ng mas mahabang time para mabayaran yung mortgage since mas marami ka nang nababayaran sa interest at hindi na nababawasan yung principal. Meron din tayong tinatawag na ARM or Adjustable Rate Mortgage. So ito naman, sumusunod yung payment mo doon sa fluctuation ng interest rate. So kunwari the past 8-9 months, nagtaas ng interest rate ang Bank of Canada, if I'm not mistaken, like 8 times. So from that time, 8 times ka rin nagbago ng payment. Kasi habang may changes doon sa interest rate, which is like the policy rate ng Bank of Canada, sumusunod yung payment mo doon. One advantage of this is at least you can keep the amortization as is kasi nahahabol mo yung interest. Kaso lang, you will have, an adjustment. So every time magbabago yung interest rate, magbabago din yung payment mo. So yeah. Those are the interest rates. So whatever you choose what makes sense for you.